Class, today you're going to get the area of a given square. Suppose the area of a given square is 81 meters squared. What is the side?
9 meter. 9.
Okay, you have to give the complete answer. Now, let us make this one as a complicated problem wherein you are going to look for the given answer using the tri-square table discovered by Sir Juan G. Cabrera. Now, if given area of a given square is 3,364 meters squared, what do you think will be the side?
58.
Okay, very good,
58
great.
meters.
58 meters.